Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So you can log in into your seller center and you can share your screen.
You have disabled participant to share screen.
Now
You
see.
shouldn't. Now we can.
Okay. Yeah. Let's make this as a YouTube video, like just like an interview with the
Okay,
student. Yeah.
definitely.
Sure.
This is
Yeah.
my selection.
Yeah. Yeah. Hi, Janish. So first of all, I
Ah,
like
hi,
to
sir.
ask you is yeah. Hi. So first of all, I like to ask you is how did you come to know about Amazon? Like, how you actually had interested, came
Ah,
to know about Amazon.
sir.
Like, yeah.
Basically, I am a CA intermediate student.
Okay. Yeah.
Ah, one day I was just scrolling Instagram.
Uh-huh.
I saw that Desi rich kid. His name is, I think so, Manjit.
Uh-huh. Okay.
He's an Amazon seller. He's staying outside.
Uh-huh.
Uh, it's just, I was just checking. My intention was to become a businessman,
Man, entrepreneur. Yeah.
an
Similar way.
entrepreneur.
Even I started like that only. Yeah.
Ah, uh, but I was scrolling and I saw him, and his
Mm-hmm.
lifestyle was good. I thought it as a big platform. Afterward, I researched.
Mm-hmm.
I also researched many courses also.
Mm-hmm.
Afterwards, I found your course much useful and cheaper, and all the useful. And I chosen
Yeah.
your course.
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
If you are comfortable with Hindi, also we can speak that. Which language you
sir,
prefer more?
English only, sir. I am not
English
comfortable
only.
with
Yeah.
English.
Yeah. I think you are also from Kannada, right?
Yeah,
Even I speak
Kannada
Kannada.
full, Kannada
Uh-huh.
full ಬರುತ್ತೆ, but
Uh-huh. Yeah.
viewers cannot understand Kannada.
Yeah. Yeah. Viewers, so that's why I created this channel with either Hindi or else English. So, so basically
Yeah,
through the course itself, you started your business. So how, when actually, this is your first product only, right?
yeah. So this is my
Yeah.
first product, and I have launched
Mhm.
around May 29th.
May 29th, you launched your first product.
Yeah,
May 29th.
yeah.
May 29th, last year.
Eh, Sorry, May. I am sorry. March 29th.
Yeah. That is what I was telling. March 29th, right? Yeah. So
Yeah,
it's a
yeah,
imported product, right?
yeah.
Hello?
Imported from China, sir.
Yeah, imported from China. Okay.
Imported from China.
So yeah.
Uh,
So you can show your sales. You can go into business report and you can show your sales. You can literally here also you can show show the sales, right? Today's sales in the home page itself.
Today I sold it around. Wait,
You can once refresh it.
29
So,
units I sold today.
yeah, once refresh or refresh the page. Yeah. Now you can
It is refreshed.
show the past 7 days and past 30 days. Yeah.
Around this is my today sales.
Okay.
Uh,
Nice.
and 29 units has been sold today,
Mm-hmm.
and past 7 days is around 284 units.
Mm-hmm. Altogether, I think you
Yesterday,
sold somewhere around 350 units. You ordered 1,000 units, right? In the
no
first
sir,
batch,
700 units.
700 units. Okay.
700 units.
Huh.
Yeah, around it's take around 15 days. This is my
Okay.
sales from complete
Yeah.
sales, I
Last
think
15
so.
days, you made around 3,46,000
Yeah, only in
in
15
revenue.
days.
Yes.
And
That's
even
nice.
this is my first product.
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
That's nice.
15 days
As
only.
a beginner, especially the product that you are selling it around 999 rupees, right?
Yeah,
So it's a
999.
premium. Yeah, it's a premium product. You can go into business reports. Once go into business reports. Yeah, top left corner. Yeah. Here we can
Okay.
also check. Here also you can once apply that. You can once refresh the page.
I have been running auto campaign, coupons,
Mm-hmm.
all
That's great.
that was taught in
All
your
the strategy.
all that was
Yeah.
taught in your mentorship program.
Yeah. You can once do apply the date range,
Date range. Okay. Here we can custom we can.
custom date. Yeah.
Uh,
I
will
think May
show
28th, right? From May 28th. Sorry, March
May 20,
29th. March
March
29th.
29. Yeah. From here it has been started from there only.
Okay,
These
great.
are my sales till now. And
Total
it
375 units sold till now. And
375
average,
units sold.
yeah.
Uh,
And
average.
average sales is around 999 rupees. So you are selling at a premium price. So right now for the second batch, you are thinking to do some custom packaging, right? As I
Yes,
thought
sir.
actually.
Now,
Even me also. In the first batch, I don't like to do custom packaging because if we spend more, again, the budget will be limited budget. If we spend
uh,
more on packaging, again, we cannot order more. So that's why
yeah,
once we are confident enough from the first batch like this, what you have made, it's you are now pretty much confident. You can go ahead, you
yes, sir.
can order
Definitely.
2000 units. You can also
Uh,
make custom packaging, right? So
yeah.
that now is the decision that you have to make. You can upload, you have to do some branding, do some
Mm,
better custom pack and all. And you can also use several other strategy to grow your business. So
yeah.
basically, what I like to do is I will simply show because as this is a YouTube video, obviously I don't want to share your product, but I'll share you the simple strategy. Later on, I will exactly tell you how to do the custom
Okay.
packaging and all. So simply, what I like to do is the first strategy. I will share my screen now.
Okay.
Yeah,
Should I stop my?
yeah. You have to stop your screen. Okay. Yeah, I hope you can see my screen now.
Yeah.
Okay, great. So basically, what I like to do is first of all, suppose if my product is let's say a yoga mat, okay, a classic example. In my course and all, I use this product as an example. So let's assume this is your product, okay. So if you want to
Mm,
do custom packaging, you can literally once go through the competitors, your top competitors, whether they are using
okay.
some custom packaging and all. See, you can see in yoga mat they are using some bags and putting their branding on the product. I assume your product is little bit small, so that on the product we cannot put the logo. So that's why in the custom packaging and all, you have to use your logo, right?
Logos.
Yeah. So this product basically we can use that particular packaging. And one more strategy which I like to do is you can search your product in several other marketplaces. So not only
Okay.
Amazon.in, you can go into Amazon.com, Amazon UAE, as well as Amazon UK. So there you can
So
go and see the
basically,
same product.
I found this product in Amazon.com. It
Dot
was a
com itself.
trending product. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
it was a trending and highest selling product there.
Mm-hmm.
And I found it there, and I made it
You
to.
imitated here only, right? Yeah, I
Yeah,
only
yeah,
finalized. Yeah.
yeah, yeah. You
So
finalized. I
basically,
sent you.
yeah. We looked its sales and competition and opportunity was looking good, and also the pricing was good. So the procurement cost and was the sell and the selling price, the margin was good. So that's why I finalized the product. So right now, to do the custom packaging, use the same strategy. Go into
Okay.
Amazon.com, see what sellers are doing there. You can imitate those strategy. And one more thing is literally from where obviously you are importing the product from the first batch itself. You are
Yeah.
importing, right? So
Ah.
manufacturer also, if you ask them, give me the
Ah.
available custom packaging templates, they will give it to you. and using that you can design
Sir,
in the template. Hmm. Yeah.
I asked them, but they told we don't have any custom packaging. And I think though they are small business industries like that.
Okay. Okay. Now
But
sometimes it happens, but
manufacturer told,
obviously right now for the first batch that you have ordered, they are giving some basic packaging, right?
uh,
Yeah.
basic packaging.
Yeah. Hello.
Basic packaging they are providing.
Yeah, basic packaging they are providing, right?
Ah,
Yes. So using that, basic packaging template only once asked with them. So they are
ah.
not willing to print logo on your product.
They are willing to print, but I think they are a small business industry. They are not
Mhm.
even, they didn't even
So you
grow.
have to do the soft copies. You have to share them all the
And they told that
uh,
if you share any of your template, we will print it and make it for you.
okay. You can do one thing. Ask them the basic packaging template only. Use that
Ah,
template and you design it yourself. So you can put a
okay.
logo. So literally on Google itself, if you type packaging templates, you can find many ideas,
Ah,
and you can decide where your MRP should be there. So like this,
ah,
if you see, you can decide where your logo should appear, where the pricing tag should appear, if you are providing any warranties, where it should appear. And you can also mention your Instagram. Obviously you are creating your brand, right? Create an
ah,
Instagram account, and Instagram account itself is more than enough. Provide that
ah.
Instagram account ID. If your website is there, you can also mention website. This is the early phase. Yeah, this is the first product that you are launching, but still it is better to do all those things. You can use that strategy in further. So you can mention all those things in the box itself. So that way
Yeah.
customer feels it is like an premium product, and they will also follow you. You will also create an customer database, which is like an asset. In future, if you launch a new product, you can literally contact your customer.
Uh,
You can give some coupon codes. You can make them to buy your second product, which will increase, which will boost your sales. You can manage the sales velocity and get your product to the customer. It will be not
Okay.
much more easier for you. So those
Ah,
are the strategies, basically with what I suggest for custom packaging.
yeah.
So let's stop this. Yeah, let's conclude this session. So after that, I
Yeah.
will, yeah. So let's conclude this session. So if you have any question, if you have anything to tell, you can share. You can tell it right now.
So right now, nothing to say. And
Mhm.
Amazon, if I want to tell about that Amazon platform, it's big
Mhm.
and newcomers can come
Yeah,
and
one more
achieve here.
thing. One more thing I had to ask you. So a lot of
Ah,
people think that beginners don't have opportunity on Amazon. They think that competition is huge. So what do you want to tell
sir,
about those things?
sir, I am the
Every
proof
single
here.
every single year, every year people ask me that. This year,
Ah,
can I start Amazon
I am
FBA?
the
Can I
proof.
start Amazon? Yeah.
I think I started Amazon FBA before 3 months. I have took the course around two
Mhm.
and a half months. Before
Mhm.
2.5 months. This is I am the proof here, the direct proof.
Mhm.
In 15 days, I have made sales around 4 lakh. It's going to be around 4
Mhm.
lakh today in
Yeah.
only 15 days. And we can start Amazon business anytime, anywhere. And it
Yeah.
is easier. And
Yeah.
we
I
can
think it is
work
all
it.
about the product. It is all about your
Yeah,
mindset and how you take the business. So opportunity is there.
definitely.
Obviously, in Indian market, less population is there. It is not like every
Uh,
single big seller can acquire every single market, every single niche, right?
yeah.
See, me as a big
Uh,
seller, so
uh,
for 9 to 12 months, a new product I launch right now. When I started,
uh,
for 3 to 4 months, I used to launch a new product. But right now, for
uh,
my main priority is to keep the existing product in stock. So that is how every
okay.
big seller think. So big sellers
Uh,
only focus on their existing product. So they don't,
pro-
yeah, they don't focus on launching a new product. So that's
uh,
why if the beginners step up, they can launch those products. So that should be the
definitely.
mindset. Yeah. So I think the
Uh,
product which you launched, it was a trending product, and the competition
uh,
was very less. The demand was huge.
it
So
was
you came,
and it
yeah,
was new to Indian market.
yes. You picked that product from US marketplace, you did some changes and launched in Indian marketplace. That is what I suggest for beginners. So you can do such things. You can it is all about the right timing. So you came in at the
Yeah.
right timing, you launched that product, you fulfill that demand, and that is where when you are getting the expected results. So you
Yeah.
sold around 350 units already,
Uh,
15-20 days, and made a
uh,
revenue of around 3 lakh 50,000 odd. So within 5-4 days, you'll be reaching that 4 lakh revenue also. So yeah, it's very unlikely, but still, as a beginner,
uh,
even if you make a 1.5 lakh sales, it's a good results. But the
uh,
results which you have achieved, it's very very good as a beginner. So we have to
yeah.
focus on launching more and more products. You can, what I
Nice.
suggest is, for 6 to 10 months, use your profit and reinvest into your business, launching
Definitely,
more
sir.
and more products. Then
Uh,
you can trust your business. Then you can rely on your business. You can take the money and improve your lifestyle. If you want to
yeah.
make some purchases and all, you can do later on. So beginning
Uh,
stage, you have to focus on launching more products. So
yeah.
that is what I suggest.
Uh,
So yeah. So it was nice talking with you. So let's conclude this session.
okay, sir.
Bye.
Thank you.
And also, you have, I sent you this our office invitation also, right? So
Yeah.
please do come. Okay, on 23rd it is there, April 23rd.
Yeah. Okay.
So you can
Uh,
make sure to come attend.
okay.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, sir.
Yeah,
Thank you.
yeah.